how to create a GIF from YouTube video. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can basically create a GIF from a YouTube video. So first you have to pick a YouTube video that you guys want to make a GIF out of, and then after that you just have to simply download the portion that you guys want to create a GIF of. Once you guys have that portion, simply come over here on this website, which is easygif.com/maker. After that, simply click on choose files, and then now you guys can simply click on any video that you guys might have on your computer, and then after that click on the video, and then now from over here it's going to take just a few seconds, and now it's going to basically be uploaded over here. Now click on upload and make a GIF, and now it's going to make this particular GIF for you, and you guys now basically have this video as a GIF for yourself to download. So you guys can just simply download it. So from over here you guys can basically trim the video as well. Let's say you want to only make a small portion of the video a GIF. Simply type in the exact time that portion starts, and then at the bottom type in the exact time in seconds where that particular portion ends, and then after that simply click on convert, and now your video is going to be converted into a GIF. And then after that click on convert to GIF at the bottom, and now at the bottom you guys are going to be able to see your output GIF, which you guys can just simply download and start sharing on WhatsApp, Instagram, wherever you guys want to. So guys, that is how you guys can create a GIF from a YouTube video. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.